Hello everybody, I'm GameJacker. And if you're watching this video, then you're probably looking for cheats to use in one of the many online multiplayer mobile shooter games out there. And you may have noticed that it is actually quite difficult to find legitimate cheats out there. So if you would just afford me a few minutes of your time, I will show you guys why it is that difficult, how to find legitimate cheats and how to use them, and how to avoid any difficulties in the future. As always, all the links will be down in the description, and leave a like while you're there to help other people find legitimate cheats as well. So first off, let's talk about what kinds of cheats are possible in online mobile shooters. So as these are multiplayer games, they are online games, which means part of the game is processed on the game servers, which basically means only a part of the game is processed on your mobile device, which means that all the premium currencies, your gems, your diamonds, your gold, or whatever they may be called, are gonna be processed server side where you cannot modify them. Problem is, if you use Google to find your cheats, you will find stuff like unlimited money, unlimited gold and gem, unlimited resources, free gems, unlimited money. And as these values are stored on the game servers, these kinds of cheats are, for all practical purposes, impossible, which means that most of the stuff you'll find at the top of Google are scams and fakes, or they are private servers, which is basically the game running on someone's private server where everyone has unlimited money, and the game usually doesn't work, which doesn't help anybody. However, fret not, there are actual cheats for online mobile shooters. And if you simply Google your game with HackerBot at the end, you'll find our page on that game, and you will find a short tutorial on how to actually get working cheats for that game. The cheats that are possible in online mobile shooters are aimbots. They will always be possible, and they will usually be part of a mod menu. ESP cheats or wallhacks, allowing you to see through walls. In rare cases, unlimited ammo or teleporting may also be possible, or speed hacks. However, the exact cheats that are possible in every individual game will vary, but aimbots and wallhacks will always be possible in online mobile shooters. So how do you get these cheats? So again, if you Google your game followed by HackerBot and visit our page on cheating in that particular game, you can either go to download hack, or in the tutorial, click on the HackerBot tool. This is a tutorial on how to use HackerBot to find legitimate downloads for your game. If you go to our hack finder, simply enter the name of your game, followed by the system that you're playing on, so in this case Android or iOS, and then ideally followed by the exact version of your game at the moment, so that you don't get shown outdated cheats. You search for that, and you will find legitimate mods from legitimate sources that have been around for many years that you might not find on Google, that actually provide working cheats, mods, and game hacks for that specific version, and not the obviously fake / outdated / non-working stuff that you might find on Google. If you don't know how to install cheats on your device, there will be links to the tutorials you need to install these cheats correctly underneath the tool. The tool will automatically detect if you're on Android or iOS and show you the correct tutorials. If you are on Android, also consider downloading HackerBot APK to use the tool more easily. As you can see here, we have a tutorial for installing APK mods, as I'm using the tool on Android. Another powerful way of cheating in online mobile shooters is to use PC controls. You will find the link in the tutorial section of your game on our site, and this will show you how to use mouse and keyboard or your gamepad in any mobile shooter out there, which is extremely powerful, as PC controls in combination with the aim lock or aim assist that comes with mobile games is extremely powerful, especially in online shooters and PvP games. If you go to your game on hackerbot.net, in the tutorial section of your game on hackerbot.net, you'll also find the Android or iOS game hack tutorial that will show you even more ways of cheating in your Android or iOS game. For example, emulators can open up many new avenues of creating automated bots and scripts, in addition to the cheats that you find using the hack finder tool. And just to emphasize this point again, unlimited gems and money is not going to be possible in online mobile shooters on Android or iOS. It doesn't matter what you see on Google, whether that is photoshopped images or doctored video. There is no way to get free gems in these games usually. The only possible exceptions being exploits, and there's going to be a tutorial on hackerbot.net on that as well. Just Google exploit tutorial hackerbot. However, these are extremely rare, as these are basically bugs in the game that can be exploited for a limited amount of time. So I hope this helps you cheat in your online mobile shooters on Android and iOS mobile. I encourage you to browse hackerbot.net, the wiki, where you'll find a lot of information about the basics of game cheating. Also browse our tutorials, our Android tutorials, and our iOS tutorials, and our general game cheating techniques. I will teach you many useful skills that you're going to need if you're serious about cheating in your favorite Android and iOS games. So I hope this helps. Don't fall for the obvious scams, the fakes, and the false advertising that you will find on Google. Simply Google game hacks or hackerbot, go to hackerbot.net, and learn how to cheat actually in your favorite Android and iOS games, and find legitimate cheating sources for clean and working software, mods, game hacking tools, and more. I hope this helps to keep you safe in your game jacking journey. All the links in the description. Leave a like while you're there, and subscribe for weekly game cheating content. Goodbye. Game Jacker out.